Pleasant good morning. So this morning we'll be learning how to depin the fuel injector connector or jack for Toyota. This one is for 3ZZ specifically in a Altis. Right, this Altis I was working on. The connectors get brittle, so we go in and instead of we order the pigtails on Amazon, instead of cutting the original connectors to splice it in, we just go in and depin this one. So we just depin the ones on the vehicle and put back in the connectors. Right, so we started. Right, so it have this white piece here. This is the lock. Right, so we want to remove this lock first. So it has two little airs. We take in this little screwdriver, and we take in the time and we prising it out. Right, and then we pull it out. Right, so the lock out. So this white piece here. So this white piece here is the lock. This white piece locking the connectors. Right. Now if we look inside here, if we look inside the connector on top, right, we'll see two little plastic locks. So we had to raise those two plastic locks and then pull out the pigtail from the back. Right? You're trying to focus. Just right. So if we watch here, and we see where the screwdriver going in there. We're using a small flathead screwdriver. And this flathead going on top here to raise the lock. Once we feel the lock raise, then we just pull out the pigtail from the back. So I just applying gentle pressure. And that's now it's just trying to work with the camera angle. Alright. So we're trying to get a good angle. So if we watch on top there, you see the locks. Right? Zoom in so they can see the locks. Right, so we see the two plastic things there. So we're seeing 1 and 2. So we take any screwdriver and putting it in to raise the lock. Right, once we raise the lock, we just pull out the jack. So what's going on is the lock have a piece that going inside this hole here. So that plastic piece keeping the jack from coming out. So you had to come here with the screwdriver so you could raise the lock and then pull out the connector. So if we watch in the jack here, we'll see the little plastic airs. Right, we might need to put on the light to see it better. Right, so we see any little plastic airs. Right, so that is what locking it. So now we have the next side as well. So if we watch, we'll see the next side, the lock on the other side that we need to raise to pull it out. So same, Same process. We apply a little tension on the connector in the back. Right, apply a little pressure with the connector on the back. We make sure we get the flathead to go under the plastic lock. We raise and we pull out. Right, so simple like that. We depin the jack. Right, so the jack depinned. We can see the two plastic locks that hanging down there. And simple. When we go by the vehicle, yeah, so when we go by the vehicle, we just take in the harness, the connectors, putting it in like this from the back, and it will lock. Right, and then we put the white lock on. Right, so we put back in the white lock and press it in and lock it. But I'm not going to press it in to give myself double work when I reach by the vehicle. So that is basically it.